Hello, 你好，我是 Katrina, the founder and teacher of Smart Mandarin, guiding you from zero beginner to a confident speaker. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you business Mandarin for beginners. And before we do that, don't forget to hit the like button to this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified. And also follow me on Instagram. Now, let's get started. So, the first word is 商务汉语. So what is 商务汉语? Means business Mandarin. 商务 meaning business. You could also say 商业汉语or 商务汉语 You can also say 商务中文 or 商业中文 So how do you use this vocab? For example, you could say 我想 would like to 学 to learn 商务汉语我想学商务汉语 So I guess this is just a vocabulary for this subject. Let's move on to some more practical vocabulary. Alright? First one is 公司 meaning company. 公司 Okay, so you could say 你今天几点去公司What time do you go to company today? 你今天 today 几点 What time? 去公司 go to company 你今天几点去公司 Alright, so 公司 is a place that we work, which is company. And branch office or branch company, in Mandarin we would say 分公司 branch company 分 meaning branch 公司 company So 分公司 branch company Next one 客户 meaning client 客户 Alright, so what is the difference between 客户 client and 客人 So, if you open a restaurant, people come to your restaurant for something to eat or you're selling a product and the customer comes to your store for a merchandise and they are your 客人 meaning customers 客人 But client is 客户It's more like someone who buys your service. We say 客户 Okay, so you could say 我今天有一位重要的客户我今天 today 有 have or has 一位 one 重要的客户重要 meaning important So important client 重要的客户我今天有一位重要的客户 Okay, next one 合约 contract 合约 In China they say 合同 also means contract 合约 is more often used in Taiwan and 合同 is more often used in China. So how do you say to sign contract? Is 签合约 to sign contract. 签 meaning to sign. 签合约 or you could say 签合同。签合约 or 签合同。Next one, interview. Job interview in Mandarin is 面试。面试 I find this vocabulary very interesting because 面 meaning your face and 试 meaning test. So it's like face test, literally. So face test is your interview. 面试，面试。我明天有一个重要的面试。我明天 tomorrow, I tomorrow 有一个 I have one 重要的 important 面试。我明天有一个重要的面试。I have one important interview tomorrow or face test tomorrow. Next one, 履历表 your resume or a CV. 履历表，履历表。OK， 这是我的履历表。This is my resume. Very easy. 这是我的履历表。This is my resume. 这是我的履历表。Next one, 秘书，秘书。秘书 meaning secretary. I also find this vocabulary very interesting because 秘书, this word is coming from the word 秘密 which means secret. So 秘 coming from the word secret and 书 meaning book literally. So it's a secret book. I guess 秘书 secretary knows a lot of 秘密 secrets. Don't you think? Okay, next one. 经理，经理 manager. 经理，陈经理有一位很棒的秘书。Manager Chen has a very awesome secretary. 陈经理，陈 is a person's surname. 陈经理有一位。Yes, he has one. 很棒 very awesome, very great. 很棒的秘书。陈经理有一位很棒的秘书。Or I can say, 这位秘书知道陈经理的很多秘密。Okay, I'm just trying to create some funny sentences. 这位 this 秘书 this secretary 知道 she knows 很多 a lot 陈经理的秘密 the secret of Manager Chen. Okay, 这位秘书知道陈经理的很多秘密。I'm just joking. But you know all the words and vocabulary in the sentence, right? Next one. 部门，部门 meaning department or division. 部门，部门，部门 department or division. There are many kinds of 部门 in a company. For example, 研发部门。研发 means research and development, R&D division. 研发部门，研发部门。会计部门 accounting department. 会计，会计 meaning accounting. So 会计部门 accounting department. Or 人资部门，人资 human resource department. 人资部门。销售部门 sales department. 销售，销售部门 sales department. 销售部门。So if you want to say I am the employee of accounting department, for example, you could say 我是 I am 会计部门的员工，员工 meaning employee. So the employee of 会计部门 accounting department. 我是 会计部门的员工。So if you want to say I'm the employee of which department, you just switch the department. 我是哒哒哒部门的员工。我是哒哒哒部门的员工。So 员工 means employee. How about boss? In Mandarin we say 老板。That's right. It is the same 老板 when you go shopping or buy something, you address the shop owner. So 老板 meaning shop owner or boss. Next one, project. In Mandarin we say 专案。专案。So project manager is 专案经理。专案经理 meaning project manager. 专案经理。专案经理。我是专案经理。I'm a project manager. 我是专案经理。Supervisor. In Mandarin we say 上司。上司。他是我的上司。He's my supervisor, so he is above me. 他是我的上司。他是我的上司。Alright, I know that I haven't covered all of the business Mandarin Chinese. This is part 1, business Mandarin for beginner. In the next video, I'm going to give you business Mandarin part 2. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified, and also don't forget to hit the like button of this video, share to your social, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram that I share mini videos on my Instagram and my life in Taiwan. And if you want to join Smart Mandarin support community, it is a community where you can meet people around the world. If you want to download the worksheet of this lesson, the link is down below. Alright, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!